Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 17. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in sum number 17, a cube of a metal of 6 centimeter edge. So that means here side of the cube is 6 centimeter. Clear? Is melted and cast into a cuboid whose base is 9 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Okay, find the height of the cuboid. So as here the cube is melted into a cuboid, that means the relation between the cube and the cuboid, here the volume will be equal. So here volume of cube is equal to volume of cuboid. Okay, clear? Now here the formula to find out the volume, that is 6 into 6 into 6 as cube, and for the cuboid here length equal to 9, breadth equal to 8, and let the height equal to h. So it's very easy. Now find out the value of h. So 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 9 into 8. Okay, so here 2 3s are, 2 4s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 2s are, again 2, and that one equal to here 3. So here h equal to 3. Now let's move on to the next problem, sum number 18. The area of a playground, that one equal to here area equal to 4800, it's meter square. Okay, find the cost of covering it with gravel 1 centimeter deep if the gravel cost is rupees 60 per cubic meter. So as here playground, you have to consider this playground as a rectangle. Okay, so that means here length into breadth, that one equal to 4800 meter square. Now the cost of covering it with gravel 1 centimeter deep, so that means here height equal to 1 centimeter, so it will be here 1 by 100 meter. Okay, and here total cost is rupees 260 per cubic meter. So first here you have to find out the volume. So volume means here 4800 into height, that means 1 by 100, so 48 meter cube. So cost equal to here 48 into rupees 260, that one equal to here 12480 as your answer. Next, number 19. A field is 30 meter long and here 18 meter broad. 30 meter long, 18 meter broad. A pit 6 meter long, 4 meter wide and 3 meter deep is dug out from the middle of the field. So that one here, a field, it's 30 meter long, 80 meter, and here the pit means a hole. So here pit is 4 meter long, 3 meter here deep and 2 meter 6 meter long, 6 meter long, and here 4 meter wide and 3 meter deep in the middle of the field, and the earth removed is evenly spread over the remaining area of the field. Find the rise in the level of the remaining part of the field in centimeter, correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so that means first here you have to find out the volume of that pit. Okay, that means the amount of what, earth. So here volume of the pit, that one equal to here 6 into 4 into 3. Okay, 6 into 4 into 3 meter cube. So now here you have to let each meter be the level raised over the field uniformly. Okay, each meter be the level raised over the field uniformly. So that means here the volume. Okay, you have to find out the volume of that portion, the volume of that remaining portion without the pit. So first you have to find out the area of the ground without the pit. So here, area of the ground, area of the ground without pit. So that one equal to here 30 into 18, then minus 6 into 4 meter square. Okay, so 30 into 18, here 6 into 4 meter square. So 8 threes are here 540 and minus here 24 meter square. So 540 minus 24, so you have to subtract this one here. So it's 6, it's 1, and then 516 meter square. So now the volume of the field or ground, that one equal to 516 into h meter cube. Now according to that formula, or sorry, according to your question here, that 516 into h will be equal to the volume with the pit. So here h equal to 6 into 4 into 3 divided by 516. So here you can write down 72 by 516, that one equal to here 0.1395, it's meter. So that means here 13.95 centimeter as your answer. Now next one, here sum number 20. So in sum number 20 here, the rectangular plot is 24-meter long and 20-meter wide. So here length equal to 24-meter and breadth equal to here 20-meter. Okay, a cubical pit of edge 4-meter is dug out at each of the 4 corners of the field. So here, suppose this one a rectangular field, and here 4 pit, each and every pit here 4-meter. Okay, so that means a cubical pit dug out each of the 4 corners of the field and soil removed is evenly spread over the remaining part of the plot. By what height does the remaining plot get raised? So here, first here the length and the breadth of the field, that were equal 24 and 20. So the area, so the area of the field or plot you can write down, it's 24 into 20, so 480 meter square. Okay, now the side of the cubical pit is 4-meter, so volume of 4 pits, how many pits are there? Total 4, so 4 into 4 cube. Okay, and that one equal to 256 meter cube. Now the area of the 4 pit, that one equal to 16 into 4, so the remaining area, so write down here the remaining area of the plot, the remaining area of the plot, that one equal to 480 minus here 64, as 4 into 4 is 16, so 4 pits are there, that means 4 into 16, that one equal to 64, and it's here 416 meter square. So now the height of the, you have to find out here the height does the remaining plot. So here h equal to, it's very easy, just write down here 256 divided by 416, and that one equal to here 8 by 13 meter as your answer. Now next, sum number 21. So here in 21, the inner dimension of a closed wooden box, that is here 2 meter, then 1.2 meter, and here 0.75 meter. The thickness of the wood here 2.5, so that is here 2.5 centimeter is the thickness. Find the cost of the wood required to make the box if 1 meter cube of wood cost 5400. So here the inner dimension are 2 meter, 1.2 meter and 0.75 meter. Here thickness is 2.5 meter. So first convert it into meter, and that one equal to here 0.025 meter. Okay, so now the external dimension. Okay, I repeat, the external dimension. So write down here external dimensions. External dimension are, first one, as 2 meter is the internal length, so 2 plus 2 into 0.025, as here thickness, so both side, that why multiply with 2. Okay, so that one equal to here it's 2.05, that is the length. Next one here, it's 1.2 plus 2 into 0.025, that one equal to here 1.25, it's meter, here also meter. And the last one here 0.75 plus 2 into 0.025, and that one equal to here 0.80 meter. So these are the external dimension. Okay, that means length, breadth and height. So now the volume of the box, that one equal to 2.05 into 1.25 into here 0.80, and that one equal to here 2.05. Okay, that is the external volume. Okay, external volume. And the internal volume of the box, it will be here the 2 into 1.2, here 0.75, that one equal to here it's 1.80. Okay, 1.80, that is meter cube and meter cube. So the volume of the wood, that one equal to 2.05 minus 1.80, it's 0.25 meter cube. 0.25 meter cube. Now you have to find out the cost. So here cost equal to 1 meter cube is 5400. So 5400 into 0.25, and that one equal to here 1350. So rupees 1350 is your answer. Now next one, sum number 22. So this is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here sum number 22, a cubical wooden box of internal edge 1 meter is made of 5 centimeter thick wood. Okay, so here the internal edge of the cubical. So cubical wooden box, that one equal to 1 meter. Okay, clear. Now next here thickness. So thickness of wood, write down here 5 centimeter. Now external length equal to, as here 1 meter plus 5 plus 5, that means 10 centimeter. So it's 1.1 meter. Okay, then breadth equal to here again 1 meter, because cubical means length, breadth and height are all same, so 1 1 and 1. So again it's 1 plus 10, it's centimeter, that one equal to 1.1 meter. And for the height you have to add 1 meter and 5 centimeter. Okay, because the top of the box is open. Okay, the top of the box is open, so that's why you have to add only 1.5, so it's 1.05 meter. So here the external length, breadth and height. So now the volume of the wood. So here the external 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.05, then minus the internal 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, so 1.2705 minus 1, and that one equal to here 0.2705 meter cube. Okay, 0.27 meter cube, that is the volume of the wood. Now here you have to find out the cost. According to the problem, if the wood cost 9600 per cubic meter, so rupees 9600 multiply with 0.2705, and that one equal to here rupees 25 96.80 as your answer.